Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover this claim distribution of ArbDoge tokens. This is free for everyone that has been participating on the Arbitrum Airdrop. So if you got the Arbitrum Airdrop in any of your wallets, you are eligible to claim these free tokens, the ArbDoge tokens. I'm going to explain you how to do this, but it's something that came up in my private Discord channel, and me and many of the other followers there have been collecting these free tokens. And in my case, because I did Arbitrum with multiple wallets, I was able to get around $300 on this token. I already sold my part, so I will show you exactly what you need to do to claim your free AIDOGE tokens, how to be sure that everything is going to be fine in terms of security or not, and the risk is to do this, and everything that you can do with claiming these tokens that right now are dumping, of course, but maybe at the moment that you see this video the situation is different. So without anything else, let's go directly to this ArbDoge claim token. Of course, before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and if you got Arbitrum Airdrop tokens, you are eligible to get these free tokens right now. Hey guys, well, like I say, I have been already collecting these ArbDoge tokens. This is of course like a meme token that appeared after the distribution only a couple of days ago, only 3 days ago. So it's really new, and this came up to my attention in my Discord channel. You know that I have two subscriptions. One is for my Discord channel, where we are building a community where only manage high level of data between airdrop tokens, distribution of the tokens for those airdrops, new airdrops that I cannot cover here, 100x gems like Myra we did the other day with another people in the chat, and we already did like 25% on that. So many things happening in my Discord. And the video of today is thanks for community members that bring this token into the attention, and this claiming free tokens because we were doing the Arbitrum Airdrop. Like you know, I did thousands of dollars with the Arbitrum Airdrop because I managed to use 12 wallets to do that. All my wallets were correctly airdropped, and I did that because I have this application. This is an application that I built. I am a web developer. So I built this app initially for myself, but then I give it the character for an application to everyone. So you can join my subscription for my app too. Here you have two videos on how my app works. So you go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. You can check the plans here and the subscriptions, and you have here the two videos of my app on how the app works. So now let's go to cover a little bit of ArbDoge and how you can claim these tokens free right now and sell it right now if you want. So there was some official documentation that I saw by a member of my Discord community. Thanks to all the community there, they are great. And almost everyone in my community got the airdrop of Arbitrum. That is why we were eligible to get these tokens. So if you got your ARB tokens in any of your wallets, you are going to be able to claim in each of those wallets these tokens. Of course, this is a meme token. We were not sure about the security, but for what I could confirm, it's safe, and I will show you how to be sure that it's safe. I already connected many times. Of course, I get all my precautions and I will tell you what to do, but for now I don't see any scam on this. And in my particular case, I already collected the tokens that are called AIDOGE. I already collect them and I already sold them, and I did around $300 with those sell tokens. So I'm going to tell you what to do. The first thing is that you are going to see this link in the description of the video, but also in the post of my video, which is the second link that you are going to see in the description. Basically, you go here to claim your tokens, you go to this URL, you are going to be sent here, and then you just need to connect your wallet. So be sure that you are not using your HODL wallet, only your airdrop wallets. So connect here, you can see that I am already connected. I can buy if I want AIDOGE tokens, but it's not the intention here. So you go down here and you can see that you can claim AIDOGE tokens. You can see that in my button says already claimed because I already claimed, but if not, you are going to see here how many you can claim, and you just need to click on the claim button. Of course, you need to be connected on your MetaMask in your Arbitrum wallet. Then you confirm and sign the transaction, and that's it. So now that you did that, you can see here on the post of my website the token, the contract token. So you need to copy the contract token, and in your Arbitrum wallet you need to go to assets, and on the last part you click on import tokens, and here you paste the token address. You can see that says token has already been added, so I already have it in my asset list. But if not, you just click on add custom token. That way you are going to be able to see the tokens here, because if not, you are going to claim it, are going to be in your wallet, but you are not going to see it here. So like you can see, guys, I don't have any AIDOGE here. I already sold everything, but you are going to see your tokens here. So you can see here that in point 3 I put check the contract address to see if this is secure. So you can see that I did a video here on how to protect your airdrop wallets. If you go there, I recommend you to check the video, but I put 9 points that you need to consider there. One of them is going to Go Plus Labs, where you can put a contract address and check if it's secure. So in this case, what you can do, what I did is you get the contract address here, you copy that, and when you go to Go Plus Labs.io, you are going to select here Arbitrum, and then you paste here the address of the contract, and then you click on check. This is going to check the risk, the security of this contract, if there is some scam in any of the contracts, of the smart contracts, of course. So you can see the contract security here, the basic information, top holders, and if you have some risk or not. So you can see that the only warning is that the tags can be modified on the contract. But besides that, you can see there's only one item of attention, but 0 risk items. So for now, this is a great tool, a free tool that you can use to see if a contract is secure or not. So this is one way to protect yourself. Also, you can check here how to protect your airdrop wallet on the video that I mentioned. But at this point, I was more sure that this was not a scam. So that was the step 3. Now, the step 4, you can sell on Camelot or Uniswap. You need to copy again the contract in case that you don't have the token. So here in the app of Camelot, that exchange, you can go, for example, and put USDC here. And then here I will change it, and in search by name or address, I will put the contact address. And down here you can see that it says AIDOGE, so I already imported. And now you are seeing USDC against AIDOGE, which is a token of ArbDoge. So here you already have the contract and you can sell here. And the same if you connect to Uniswap, you can put USDC here and selecting the token, you paste the contract address, you're going to see AIDOGE, and when you enter that, you can interact with the AIDOGE token and sell it. Actually, if you have your balance here, you will be able to sell the amount that you want for USDC. If you see some error, try to increase your slip dash. I was able to sell 2 days ago with a 4% here. But if you keep getting error that the transaction is not passing, you will need to increase your slip dash. And if you don't want to sell them, you can stake your AIDOGE if you want. You can do that in Camelot. There are pools there that you can go. And also, if you are logging here, you can go to LP and you can start staking. You can stake AIDOGE with Ethereum in the liquidity pool, or you also can earn. So you can just start staking your AIDOGE alone. And right now it's a 1,852 APY. So it's really big amount. But this is if you believe a little bit at least on AIDOGE on the long term, because if not, I would recommend you just to sell it and get that money back, because it's a free money for a free airdrop because you got your Arbitrum tokens. But maybe you can sell a part and you can stake the other just in case that the miracle happen and this is the new Shiba Inu of this bull run. Of course, I don't think that is the case. That is why I already sold my tokens. But I could be completely wrong and maybe you could make thousands of dollars with this. So it depends on your strategy. But at least you know that you have free tokens here. And 6, you need to disconnect your wallet and also revoke allowances if you have it. If you don't know what is Revoke Allowances, then you need to check this video, like I mentioned, how to protect your airdrop wallet. So I'm going to do that now, which is basically I'm going to go to disconnect here, but also I'm going to disconnect my MetaMask. So I go here to the three dots, connected sites, and I will click disconnect on all the sites, especially ARBDoge.io, and I will disconnect here and here. So you can see I am disconnected for all the different websites that I allow any contract. But now I'm going to go to Revoke Cash. This is an application that you need to connect and will help you to revoke allowances of any of the sites that you agreed to give permission. Allowances means that you may be giving permission for life to your different wallets, even if you don't know that. That happens usually, for example, if you go to sell NFTs on OpenSea. Here you can select the blockchain that you want, that you are in your MetaMask, and you can select any of these. Then you select Arbitrum here, and you need to check that the connection that we have recently with ArbDoge didn't create any allowance. If you have any allowance, you need to revoke it. Let me go to another network and see if I have any allowance available. You can see here I have granted unlimited access to this authorized spender from 2022, 4 months already. So I will switch into Polygon here. You can see now I am in Polygon, and I will click in revoke. This is a transaction to close the allowances here, so you are going to pay it. Matic is really cheap. You can see transaction submitted, and it's really quick actually. And you're going to see that this is revoking the allowance of this contract. And guys, I am doing a giveaway of my subscriptions to my Discord and my app. This Thursday I'm going to give you one free subscription for all the year for one winner in Discord and in my app, and another 2 subscriptions monthly for the Discord and the app, so you can check it. So these 3 subscriptions are going to be a giveaway for the community. You just need to subscribe to my channel, to my Twitter, and tag 3 friends and retweet the tweet that I have pinned in my user, and you are going to participate. You can see there has not been much retweets, so you have very big chances to get this. So go to my Twitter, CryptoCState, check the pinned comment, do these steps, and you can win one of these free subscriptions. Even the higher that worth $100, you may win it for free on this giveaway. So check my Twitter on my giveaway for the subscriptions. So guys, that is basically all for ArbDoge. Go to my description, click the link in a wallet that you already claim the Arbitrum tokens. And if you use multiple wallets, you can use the link and go into each of the wallets and claim your tokens. This is, of course, if you use multiple wallets, going to have a high value. For me, it was $300 around that. I understand that if you only have a couple of airdrop distribution, maybe you don't want to worth it to get it. In that case, I would recommend you to stake it, because at the high yield that they have right now, you are getting your chances that maybe have a very nice multiplier for this AirDoge, and if this token gets some traction, maybe you can do some money. In that case, I don't recommend you to sell it, but it's not going to hurt you to click on earn and put that in a 1,800 APY. So guys, besides you sell it or you stake it, I think worth it to claim it. I already connected many times. I don't think there's any rug pull here right now, at least not in the connection in the contract. But disconnecting and revoking permissions, if you have, you are going to be safe. Remember guys, this video is thanks for people commenting that in my Discord channel. We are really killing it there. Many interesting people and many knowledgeable people. They know a lot about the market and they are really helping me to build something great on Discord. And many of my users are using the app. I'm happy to have this. I know they are managing multiple wallets like myself, doing the next steps on an airdrop hunter path. So check my subscriptions, and here you have my videos on how my app works and how it's going to help you. That will be all. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.